When you wake up in the morning, what's the first thing you see? What if it was a cage? What if every morning it was a cage? It takes a hen like this one up to 30 long hours in a battery cage to produce just one egg. This is the true cost of cage eggs. She can't stretch her wings, she can't go outside or feel the sun on her back. One of a hen's most fundamental desires is to build a nest and lay her eggs in private. But in factory farms, they are forced to eat, sleep and lay their eggs in a crowded cage. At hatcheries, most chicks destined for factory farms have part of their beaks cut off. Birds' beaks are filled with nerves, yet this is done without pain relief. Male chicks cannot produce eggs and do not grow fast or large enough to be raised for meat. So on their first day of life, they are gassed or dropped into grinders whilst still alive. Every year, millions of male chicks meet this fate across the entire egg industry. Ultimately, their sisters' lives are cut short too. Chickens can live up to 12 years, but from as young as 18 months of age, when their egg production wanes, hens across the egg industry are gathered up and sent to slaughter. Cage eggs have become symbolic of the suffering caused by factory farms. Tomorrow, this hen and millions like her will wake up again to life in a cage. But it's within our power to free them. If you believe in a world without factory farming, then by spreading the word and making kind choices when you shop, you can free hens from factory farms. Together, we can make it possible.